The Phrases tool is a table view of repeating phrases in the corpus. You can sort the phrases by term, or count, or length, and trend. You can click on one of the phrases to see the trend across the corpus. You can also select more than one to see the trends in comparison. If you click on the little arrow here, you can add or remove columns. Down here you can search for a term to see which phrases it appears in. Under length you can adjust the length the phrase should have. And under scale you can decide if you want phrases from the entire corpus or from specific documents in the corpus. And under overlap you can decide if you want to prioritize the longest phrases, the most frequent phrases, or not have a priority at all. Up here you have the export button to open the tool in a new tab, to export HTML code or reference, and you can export the data as HTML, text, or JSON. Here you can switch to a different tool, and here you get more information about the tool.